subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has silently launched its new A-series phone globally called Galaxy A04, and it is the successor of the Galaxy A03 smartphone that was launched back in November last year. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A04 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity width display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a vertically aligned dual camera setup that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A04 comes powered by unknown octa-core processor, which is believed to be Exynos 850 chipset. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3, 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 32, 64 or 128 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 12 based on One UI Core 4.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, along with the charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 76.3 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of the Galaxy A04 smartphone at the moment, but as per previous leak report, the phone is said to be priced around €169 in the European market, and it will be seen in black, white, copper and green color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A04 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.